welcome back to my channel, University of Childhood. And today we got this sunbird. You can see it came to our house from the window, and we caught it, and it was a bit sick, so we gave it some nectar with water, because we mixed it and feed it, and this bird eats nectar. So we have to also give water with it. We mix it and we have to give it. So we should not give the instant nectar. So the color is pretty like green type color, you can see, and it's like glittery, sparkly. Yeah. And this is the bird cage. See? So now we will let this bird free, because it's white, it's raining there, and yes. So now we will free it. Let it free.
So it's what month? Why would you make it free?
I forgot. Ramadan. Once we will let it free.
Is it a captive bird, a pet bird, or a wild bird?
Huh?
Is it a wild bird or a pet bird?
No, I don't know, but I think it's a pet bird.
It's a wild bird. It's
Oh,
not a pet bird.
Oh, sorry.
That's why you were just releasing it.
Okay.
You got it?
Yeah. Okay, now we will open this big window and we will let it in.
Open it. Open the window. Okay. Now you open that door and let it go.
Yeah. So,
Open this door.
okay,
You
now.
open the door.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
No, bird. You can go now.
Go, birdie. Go. What?
Yeah, it's going.
yeah.
That's well. That's nice. Yeah. So the cage is empty right now.
Yeah.
You're happy?
Yeah.
Living it?
Yeah,
we're
now
all
it's free.
Yeah, we're
And
all happy. It just went directly to that hibiscus tree.
yeah.
That red heavy hibiscus tree of our neighbor.
Yeah, and I think there her wife is there, and she went to her wife, and they will stay happily ever after. Okay. And so I am very happy to let it go, and also let it be free. So now you guys are happy, and I'm happy in this Ramadan month, and
Eid is approaching, sir.
and the Eid is approaching. So for today, I'm going, and
You should say Eid Mubarak. And see that bird directly went to the nectar and it is eating the nectar from that hibiscus tree. See? I can show you. If I can ever. Oh, it's not possible right now, but it is doing that. Very interesting. I can try to show you. At least